Hey guys, it's your girl Extra Eshia. I'm glad you came back to see my video. This is not going to be a political video like it looks like. This is going to be more positive, more into the vegan dishes that I'm creating and I'm making for myself because my body just does not like meat like it once did. It really objects it. So here's my Asian inspired vegetable lo mein right at you. I hope you enjoy it. I love you guys. Hey guys, and welcome back to Extra Eshia. I am here with an Asian inspired dish. This is what I would like to call my vegetable lo mein, but we're not working with no lo mein. We have spaghetti noodles. We have everything that's in your pantry. The only things that you guys may not have in a pantry is like the Asian chili garlic. I think it's called pepper garlic sauce, but that's that red container right there along with the green top. I am slicing up some bell peppers and I'm placing everything aside because I just need for my workstation to be super cool, clear, organized, so it'll be an easier cleanup afterwards. I keep dish soap and bleach on the side at all times because I just gotta stay so fresh and so clean, you know? Anyway, I have my vegetables here. This is a zucchini, baby. I am trying my best to lean over to the veggie world, the vegan world, because my body just don't agree with meat. Like, it absolutely objects it. I have my little nephew in the kitchen with me, guys, so you're going to see me move the camera back and forth so you guys can see what we're doing a little bit. He loves to cook, so he wanted me to pick him up, but I couldn't do it. There would have been no way I can record the video with the tripod, slice and dice. No way. So I'm getting him together with a chair and some vegetables so he can act like he's cooking in the sink. Putting together my onion here. I love onions. I'm using a half of onion. This is going to be a big portion for about 4 or 5 people, maybe 6, depending on how everyone eats. You will have leftovers. Yes, I cut along the lines of the onions just so you guys know who don't know how to cook. I don't go horizontally, but vertically. And this is cabbage, guys. I'm just going along the side so I can get a nice shred to it. I don't have to do much because I already cut the middle out of it. Nice shreddy looks. This is going to taste so good in you guys' meal. This is like I think I said it already, but a vegetable lo mein, but with spaghetti noodles. It's a teriyaki sauce, garlic taste, ginger taste. Oh man, you're gonna taste all the flavors in this. This is a fresh ginger. I'm about to get the potato peeler and slice away. Get all the skin off. I'm gonna do a nice little chop to it. Add some to the pasta mill, but add 2 slices to the water. Look at him dancing. Hey. That chair was super dangerous, guys. I ended up swapping it. It was too dangerous. I don't know what I was thinking. Bad auntie. And having that knife close by wasn't smart neither. So here I am with the ginger, not the garlic, the ginger. Getting my pasta together. Guys, this may seem like a lot to the non-cookers, but it's really not. As you can see, I have everything along the side of the stove. So it just makes everything organized. Like, if you're not organized, your food's really not going to come out right. Those chops are going on the side with the rest of the vegetables, so I can have my ginger taste that I want. I love crunching onto some ginger, so these are big. They are not really diced up. They're more of a chopped up style than anything. Always throw my trash away. Look, that knife is way too close to the baby. What was I thinking? Too hype dancing. Look, look, look. What? Auntie, no. So the pasta's getting ready to go into this water. It's salted water with, you already see all the 2 slices of ginger. Getting everything out, cleaning it off. Guys, I can't believe I had that knife next to that baby like that. Like, oh, you can tell I don't have any children. Girl, that would have been so bad. My sister would have beat me up. So here's my shredded carrots. I didn't have to cut or shred. Even though I have thousands of carrots in my refrigerator, I just had to get that because I wanted to make things easy for myself. I also have broccoli slaw. That's like shredded up broccoli, basically. When I get lazy, I buy stuff like that. So I just put all that to the side because I didn't have any cauliflower like I usually put in this dish. So this broccoli is going to give me that crunch that I want. And I'm putting over some spinach and arugula. Pat that pasta down, baby. I cooked this pasta halfway, by the way. The pasta gets cooked halfway because once it goes back into the dish of vegetables, it cooks again. So, and it won't, expand to be extremely big and poofy noodles. Look at the baby steady trying to touch over. I had to push his little chair away. Try to include him, but So now I'm getting everything together for my sauces in the kitchen. Oof, that baby. Guys, do not do this at home. This is what we do because we teach the kids young how to be in the kitchen, what not to touch, what to touch, and it's the heart of the home, so we're always there. So just don't have your kids close like me. Getting my seasons together. That was some more ginger powder. Guys, I love ginger. I really do. Some turmeric and some cumin. Those are my 2 key ingredients in this particular dish. Like, you don't have to put cumin in this dish. You don't have to put turmeric in this dish. Those are optional. But I will definitely have the recipe card at the end of this video. So you guys will be able to get everything you need in your shopping trip this week. That water's looking pretty good. I had to wash down that chopping board so we can just get, my area together for the spoons and forks, whatever I'll be mixing with. I love to have a clean surface at all times. So, while the pasta is cooking, I'm getting everything together for our sauce. Our sauce is basically a teriyaki sauce because I'm making teriyaki from scratch. But the only key ingredient, guys, that I do not have is honey. So my substitute for the honey was raw sugar to give it that sweet taste that, is offered in the teriyaki sauce. My tongs are over there because that's how we're going to be transferring our pasta to our bowl. And we're going to also have a cup of starch water. That starch water is the pasta water, of course. That pasta water is going to help loosen up the noodles when it's time to mix the sauce and the noodles together. So whenever you're dealing with pasta, guys, key note, keep 1 cup of starch water. That's the water that's being boiled with the pasta. So right now I'm just giving this pasta a little toss because it's halfway done. So we're getting up out of that. What I should have done at this point was turn the pasta so it could be pretty. But I forgot. I didn't do it. I was trying to do that all day and I failed. There is me cleaning out my cup, my mug, so I can get a nice, scoop of water out of that bowl there, that pot. My dad's a Clemson dad, so we're representing. Go Tigers. And I'm pouring out the rest of this water because I am a one pan, one pot sister, honey. We don't do all those dishes here. It's unnecessary. My cast iron skillet. I don't have any olive oil, which I usually cook with grape seed oil, olive oil, avocado oil. But I'm going to use some margarine this time. A good 3 spoons, or I'm going to say tablespoons, because these are some big old chunks of of butter that I put in there. I'm gonna say like a good 2 to 3 tablespoons of butter that was just applied in there. So now we're getting to the sauce, guys. We're getting to the sauce, guys. So this is the Asian sauce that I was telling you guys. It is a garlic chili. Is it? I forget what it's called, guys. But it's definitely in the recipe card. Oh, that is my minced garlic, so we can get it popping. But this is a garlic chili sauce. That's what that's called. And then we have the garlic sauce over there. If I'm saying the wrong thing, it would definitely be in the recipe picture that's going to be at the end of this video, guys. I'm so sorry. I cook with this all the time, and like the stores has been looted, so like I'm going to have to find this on Amazon. I'm pouring a little bit of that good starch water along with the ginger that I put in there right back into the pot. I don't waste anything. See, I'm scooping, going fishing, going fishing. There it is, got it. Okay, so that would be ginger powder. My light was super bright. It couldn't even focus. Just a tad bit. Now that was like a half a teaspoon because we already have ginger, like, and we have the other ginger that's going to be dumped in with the rest of the vegetables. And I'm putting all the herbs. Again, every last one of the seasons will be listed at the end of it, and I will give you time to actually like write it down, screenshot it, take a picture, or whatever. Okay, now this is optional. That was some ginger salad dressing, like a peanut Asian ginger salad dressing. In your market, it would probably be called Asian dressing. I never used that before, guys. That was my first time using it. That's some turmeric I just put in there. And this is going to be the sweetener. Instead of me adding honey, this part I add honey, but I didn't have it, so I added the raw sugar. Yes, I am using a plastic fork because this house, petty Betty, honey, nobody ever want to do dishes, so I just use plastic. I'm not trying to get caught up. So everything that we sliced, diced, and chopped up is going inside that pan and the sauce, and I'm washing it out immediately. I do not keep dishes around. No one has time for that after they finish cooking a meal like this. You just want to sit down, drink a cold one, and put your feet up. So we have the pasta just sitting on the side, getting all dried up, but it's okay. That's why we have that cup over there with our starch water. See how I added in, guys? Not too much, not too rough. And I'm looking for my lid so we can cover this bad boy because steam is everything when it comes to vegetables. I never want to cook the vegetables. Just steam it for about 2 minutes. 2 to 5, I say. 2 to 5. 2 to 5 minutes have passed. Oh, wow. I added the pasta without you guys seeing. Sorry. I added the pasta. So now I'm doing a quick mix with everything. And look at that, guys. Just looks great. Nice little mix. I got my bowl ready. Look how greedy I am. The big bowl is for the family. The small bowl is for me. See, this is what pre-cooking your pasta does for you. You don't get slop for a meal. You get nice, clean, delicious meals when you cook separately. You don't always have to cook, like slop, even though it's about to look like slop. Look at it dripping down my white bowl. But you don't always have to cook your stuff in one pan at the same time. It can be cooked in the same pan, but not always at the same exact time. You know what I mean? If that makes sense. No? Yes? Let me know in the comments below what you think about this dish. Like, did I kill it? I wish you guys can smell it, but my neighbors, we live in a townhome in Philly. My neighbors was like, "Oh my gosh, what did you guys order?" I'm like, "Order, girl." I throws it down, okay, in the kitchen every day, all day. So this is my Asian inspired dish. I hope you guys liked it. I want you guys to try it. Take a picture, show it to me, post a YouTube video, and whatever. Let's stay cool, safe with this pandemic and all the rioting and whatnot. And power to the people. I love you guys. This is Extra Eshia signing out. I love you guys. Stay responsible, stay woke, stay happy, stay blessed. And I love you guys.